Hello and welcome back to another DCM Online Academy. My name is Megan and today we're going to be talking about the importance of the Effects Control tab in Adobe Premiere Pro. Located in the top left-hand corner of Premiere Pro, the Effects Control tab is a vital panel that allows users to fine-tune and customize the properties of various effects applied to clips in a sequence. When a clip is selected on the timeline, the Effects Control panel displays parameters such as position, scale, rotation, opacity, and keyframing options for both video and audio effects. It provides a centralized space to adjust these properties with precision while also enabling users to animate changes over time by setting keyframes. This tab is especially useful for fine-tuning effects like color correction, blurs, or transitions without needing to navigate through multiple menus. Overall, it serves as a central hub for customizing and controlling the visual and audio behavior of media elements in a sequence. Thanks for watching another DCM Online Academy. Be sure to tune in for more tips and tricks with Premiere Pro.